Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful Friday. Happy weekend. So I am excited because today we have our February 2020 Luxury Divas LD accessory box. So before we dive in here and see what we got for February, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Luxury Divas and then we will see what we got. First, also let me say welcome. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, my name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do anything from beauty, fashion, lifestyle, accessories, home decor. We do a little bit of everything. We do sneak peek videos, live streams, giveaways. We do have a current active giveaway going on that is linked below. And as soon as those Jeffree Star mystery boxes come in, we'll be having giveaways with those as well. So keep an eye out for that. If you have not already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. But let's get to Luxury Divas. So for those of you that do not know, Luxury Divas is a women's lifestyle subscription. They actually won the 2019 Best Women's Lifestyle Box Award, so congratulations. And it will include items from jewelry to clothing to purses and wallets and sunglasses and hats. It could literally be everything. And I love that there's always a handwritten note from whoever curates your box. Now, you can get a one-time box for $35, or you can purchase the subscription for $30 a month. Now, I do have a promo code which will save you $5, and you can actually apply it to the one-time box or even the subscription. So if you use it for the one-time box, that would be $30. If you use it for the subscription, your first box would only be $25. So I will put a link down below to their website and that promo code. Also, guys, definitely check out their website because even if you're not necessarily interested in a box or subscription, they have hundreds and hundreds of items on their website that are amazing. So you could definitely just pick up one or two things that you like from there. So keep that in mind as well. All right, so let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open and see what we got for February 2020. All right. All right, so when we open it, I see first off, they usually always put a little treat, and it looks like for February, how appropriate. We got some little mini conversation hearts. Love it. And then we have a note. This is our handwritten note right here. And Marina styled my box again. She has been my stylist quite a bit. And she said, "Hello, Nikki. Geez, January came and went in the blink of an eye. Now we're into February and Valentine's Day is almost here. I've picked out some beautiful things for this month. Sorry, no leggings, LOL. Yes, because I do love leggings and they sent black leggings, which I actually have on right now. But there is some pretty sparkle. Enjoy, darling. Love, Marina." So she is so sweet. Is she not just absolutely gorgeous and just so sweet? So I love it. And then here we also have, this will tell us everything that is in the box, including pricing, and it will tell us the total retail value. The February 2020 edition Love is in the Air box, my total retail value for this box is $116. So I'm definitely excited to get in here and see. They packaged it with some pink paper for Valentine's. So let's just dive in. All right, so we pull the paper back and this is what we see. So we will start with this item right here on top that says love right there. And this is a blue snakeskin 3-piece cosmetic bag set. Perfect for your collection of cosmetics, this set of 3 makeup bags will keep things organized and handy. The small and medium bags are lined and the clear bag has a handy wrist strap, the ideal set for that sudden special overnight adventure. And this is a $20 value. So let's see, it's a 3-piece set. So we have, obviously, this bigger clear bag here they were talking about with a little wristlet. We have this little guy right here. And it is lined like they said. And then we have the snakeskin bag. Again, it is lined. So I think that's really cute. You can never have too many makeup bags, especially bags like this that are great for travel. And yeah, so I'm excited about these. Okay, so we'll put these over here. All right, and then let's see, we have something here in a pretty bag that caught my attention, red bag. Oh, this is pretty. So here we have a necklace, and you can see the heart right there. So let's see, this says, sterling silver plated cage heart necklace. Delicate and sophisticated, let this beautiful necklace show off your love with its lacy filigree design. This timeless symbol will quickly enhance your day-to-day look. And this is $24. This is so beautiful. I like, and it looks like it's on a little bit of a longer chain, so it'll sit. Oh, I love it. Beautiful. All right, and then we have this does not appear to be on the paper. What are you? Oh, it's a pin. Oh, you guys, it's like, looks like lipstick, and it actually says Luxury Divas, but it's a pin. That is awesome. I love that. I love different pins, like fun pins. And obviously I really love makeup, so a little like lipstick pin, awesome. All right. And then we have Beauty Creations Butterfly Eyeshadow Palette. So here is the outer packaging. And then the actual package looks the same. Oh, y'all. This is stunning. So there is a mirror. Look at those shades. Oh my gosh. With its boldly pigmented neutral tones, the Beauty Creations Butterfly Eyeshadow Palette features 15 shades to choose from, including both shimmery and matte finishes. This is $17. Oh, y'all, that is like right up my alley. I am starting to play with a little pop of color, but this is like legit a palette I would reach for every day. That is absolutely beautiful. All right, and then we have, oh, we have some earrings. I can already tell. Silver flat bar threader earrings. These look really, really pretty. Like simple, classic. Like, those are just really pretty. These slender, fluid-shaped earrings gleam perfectly in the office or at that special after-hours event. Their complementary threader design will surely freshen up your look and stylishly update your earring game. $20. These could have come in gold or silver. Oh, I love those so much. All right, and then we have, oh, this is cute. This is a black headband with sequin flower. Look, you guys. And it's got like buttons, so it's adjustable. So it could fit a big head or a small head. Your new beautiful headband was knit by hand to create a stylish, surefire way to keep your do in place without giving you hat head. That is so pretty. I love it. Oh, I love it. And this actually could have come, it says in 8 colors. I'm so glad I got black because black is typically what I do tend to reach for a lot. So yay. Okay, and then we have one more item in here. And that is this guy right here. And this is a blue luxurious print cashmere feel scarf. Dramatic long scarves are the season's fashion rage. This tribal inspired print lends a chic sophistication to this lovely soft scarf that is finished off with dangling fringe. And it could have come in purple, burgundy, green, blue, or red. It is $20. I got the blue. It's like a blue and black. And you can see it does have like that like tribal or Aztec type print. And then the, well, there, you can see me better here, the fringe detail. I'm not going to unfold it and everything, but you can see here where they're talking about it is a much, much larger scarf. So you could do, you know, all of this and have it dangle down. So I think that's awesome. So that is everything in our box for February 2020 from Luxury Divas. So we got the scarf, we got the headband that I just think is adorable. I love that. The earrings, the gorgeous eyeshadow palette, the heart necklace, the 3-piece makeup bag set, and we even got a cute little lipstick looking pin. And of course, what would February be without some conversation hearts, right? So, like I said, I will put a link and that promo code down below, so definitely check out Luxury Divas if you have not already. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and guys, don't forget about that giveaway. I hope you have a wonderful Friday, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.